Stop chasing high salaries. Build real wealth instead. Some low-income earners are outsmarting high earners. Their secret, a smart strategy anyone can learn. In this Money Smart Basics video, we're breaking down how low-income earners are quietly outpacing everyone else financially, and the steps you can take to do the same. Ready to level the playing field? Let's get started. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. Have you ever noticed that some people who earn less seem to be more financially secure than those with bigger paychecks? It's a curious paradox. How can someone living on a smaller income appear wealthier than someone who earns considerably more? The answer is simple, yet often overlooked. Wealth isn't about how much money you make, it's about how much money you keep. This intriguing phenomenon challenges the common misconception that a higher income automatically equates to greater wealth. It throws light on the often ignored aspect of personal finance, financial discipline. Get ready to challenge your preconceived notions about wealth and discover the empowering truth. It's not your income but your financial habits that pave your path to prosperity. The foundation of understanding wealth lies in recognizing the distinction between earning and keeping money. Imagine two individuals, one earning a handsome six-figure salary and the other making a more modest living. The high earner might give the illusion of wealth, indulging in luxurious purchases, frequent vacations, and an extravagant lifestyle. However, if their spending consistently outpaces their earnings, they're merely living paycheck to paycheck, or worse, accumulating debt. On the other hand, the individual with a lower income, living within their means, consistently saving and investing wisely, might be silently building a solid financial foundation. This contrast highlights the critical difference between income and wealth. The key takeaway here is that your financial well-being is not determined by how much you earn, but by how effectively you manage what you earn. A positive cash flow, where your income surpasses your expenses, is the cornerstone of building wealth. Let's delve into the often overlooked concept of cash flow, and understand why it's the real driving force behind wealth building. Simply put, cash flow is the movement of money in and out of your accounts. Think of your finances like a river. Your income is the water flowing into the river, constantly replenishing it. Your expenses, on the other hand, are the water flowing out of the river. A healthy financial state is like a river with a strong current, where the inflow of water consistently surpasses the outflow, ensuring a vibrant and thriving ecosystem. Positive cash flow provides the financial stability and security to weather storms, pursue your goals, and build a future where financial worries become a distant memory. Understanding and managing your cash flow is the bedrock of financial well-being. It's a common misconception that a high income automatically translates to wealth. While a larger paycheck undoubtedly offers more financial breathing room, it's not the sole determinant of your financial well-being. The crucial factor is how you manage that income, how you control your expenses, and how much you're able to retain after all your financial obligations are met. Imagine two individuals, Sarah and Mark. Sarah earns a hefty $100,000 per year, but has a penchant for the finer things in life. Mark, on the other hand, earns a more modest $50,000 per year, but is a master of frugality, diligently tracking his expenses, seeking out bargains, and living a fulfilling life without breaking the bank. Despite earning half of Sarah's income, Mark is likely wealthier due to his positive cash flow. The power of positive cash flow cannot be overstated. It's the engine that propels you towards financial freedom, providing the means to achieve your goals, weather financial storms, and build a secure future. When you consistently have more money coming in than going out, you create a virtuous cycle of financial growth. Positive cash flow empowers you to break free from the shackles of debt. Instead of making endless payments towards high-interest debts, you can redirect that money towards savings, investments, or even guilt-free spending on things you value. Moreover, positive cash flow provides the financial cushion to navigate unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. The peace of mind that comes with knowing you have the financial resources to handle life's curveballs is invaluable. Let's put faces to the concepts we've discussed by meeting Alice and Bob. Alice, a high-income earner, brings home $100,000 a year. Her life is comfortable, filled with designer clothes, frequent vacations, and a new car every few years. However, her expenses constantly nip at her heels, often exceeding her income by $15,000 each year. Bob, on the other hand, earns a more modest $35,000 a year. He lives in a humble apartment, drives a used car, and enjoys simple pleasures like cooking at home and exploring local parks. Despite the stark difference in their income, Bob is on a much stronger financial footing than Alice. This comparison underscores the fundamental truth that wealth is not defined by your income but by your cash flow. Positive cash flow is not just about having money left over at the end of the month, it's about harnessing the power of compounding to build wealth over time. Think of it like rolling a snowball downhill. Initially, the snowball is small, and its growth seems insignificant. However, as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and gaining momentum. Similarly, positive cash flow creates a snowball effect in your finances. When you consistently have more money coming in than going out, you can direct that surplus towards savings and investments. These investments, in turn, generate returns, further increasing your cash flow and accelerating your wealth-building journey. Positive cash flow creates a virtuous cycle, where disciplined spending and strategic investing work in tandem to propel you towards your financial goals. Negative cash flow, on the other hand, can lead to a downward spiral of debt and financial instability. When you consistently spend more than you earn, you're forced to rely on credit cards, loans, or even dipping into your savings to make ends meet. This creates a dangerous cycle where you're essentially borrowing from your future self, incurring interest charges and fees that further erode your financial well-being. Imagine Alice with her negative cash flow of $15,000 per year. To maintain her lifestyle, she relies heavily on credit cards, accumulating high-interest debt that quickly spirals out of control. Negative cash flow can have a devastating impact on your financial health, leading to mounting debt, damaged credit scores, and constant financial stress. The stories of Alice and Bob highlight a crucial point. Financial discipline, not income level, is the true bridge to wealth. It doesn't matter if you earn a modest income or a six-figure salary. If you're living beyond your means, you're jeopardizing your financial health. Financial discipline encompasses a range of habits, from meticulous budgeting and tracking expenses to resisting impulsive purchases and prioritizing saving and investing. It's about making conscious choices about your money, aligning your spending with your values, and building a secure financial future one step at a time. This doesn't mean you have to live a life of deprivation. It's about finding a balance between enjoying the present and planning for the future. Imagine a life where you have the financial freedom to pursue your dreams, whether it's traveling the world, starting your own business, or simply enjoying peace of mind knowing you have a secure future. This is the promise of positive cash flow, the financial engine that propels you towards financial independence. When you consistently have more money coming in than going out, you unlock a world of opportunities. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, burdened by debt and financial anxieties. Instead, you have the resources to invest in your future, build wealth, and create a life of abundance. Positive cash flow empowers you to break free from the shackles of debt. Instead of making endless payments towards high-interest credit cards and loans, you can redirect that money towards savings, investments, or even guilt-free spending on things you value. This freedom from debt is a cornerstone of financial stability, allowing you to build a solid foundation for your future. Negative cash flow, on the other hand, can feel like being stuck in quicksand. You're working hard, bringing in an income, but it seems like you're constantly falling behind, struggling to keep your head above water. This financial strain can cast a shadow over every aspect of your life, leading to stress, anxiety, and even relationship problems. When you consistently spend more than you earn, you're essentially digging yourself into a financial hole. You might initially rely on credit cards to bridge the gap, but this only provides temporary relief while racking up high-interest debt that can quickly spiral out of control. Negative cash flow can have a domino effect on your financial health, damaging your credit score and preventing you from achieving your financial goals. Breaking free from negative cash flow might seem daunting, but it's not impossible. It requires a shift in mindset and financial discipline. Acknowledge the problem and commit to change. Identify the root causes of your negative cash flow. Are you living beyond your means, struggling with impulse spending, high-interest debt eating your income? Develop a plan of attack. Create a budget, track expenses, and cut back where needed. Explore ways to increase income like a side hustle or negotiating a raise. Seek higher-paying job opportunities, understand cash flow dynamics, and improve financial habits for lasting well-being. Improving your cash flow isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. It's about finding a balance between enjoying the present and securing your future. Let's explore some practical strategies to boost your cash flow and pave the way for financial freedom. First and foremost, take a close look at your expenses. Are there areas where you can cut back without drastically altering your lifestyle? Consider brewing your own coffee instead of frequenting expensive cafes, packing your lunch instead of eating out, or exploring free or low-cost entertainment options like parks, museums, or local events. Next, explore opportunities to increase your income. Could you take on a side hustle, freelance in your spare time, or negotiate a raise at your current job? Even a small increase in income can make a significant difference in your cash flow over time. Remember, every dollar you save or earn is a dollar that can be directed towards building wealth. It's about making conscious choices that align with your long-term financial goals. The power of automation, making saving and investing effortless. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to let saving and investing fall by the wayside. Life throws curveballs, and savings goals get pushed down the list. That's where automation comes in. Automating savings and investments removes guesswork and willpower. It becomes a seamless part of your financial routine. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings and investment accounts. Explore micro-investing apps that round up purchases and invest spare change. Small amounts add up over time, growing your wealth effortlessly. Section 3. Shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Improving your cash flow isn't just about crunching numbers and implementing strategies. It's also about shifting your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. It's about believing that you have the power to create a life of financial freedom, regardless of your current circumstances. When you operate from a scarcity mindset, you focus on what you lack, constantly worrying about money and feeling like there's never enough to go around. This scarcity mindset can lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy, where you make financial decisions based on fear and limitation. On the other hand, an abundance mindset is rooted in the belief that there's always enough to go around. It's about focusing on the opportunities that surround you, trusting in your ability to create wealth, and making financial decisions from a place of empowerment rather than fear. Cultivating an abundance mindset involves practicing gratitude for what you have, visualizing your financial goals as if they've already been achieved, and surrounding yourself with positive influences who support your journey towards financial well-being. The true measure of wealth. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. True affluence lies not in your paycheck, but in your financial habits. It's not about keeping up with the Joneses or portraying an image of wealth built on debt. True wealth is financial security, freedom to pursue passions, and peace of mind. Build a solid financial foundation to support your dreams. Alice, with high income and relentless spending, faced debt and anxiety. Bob, with modest income and discipline, built a secure future. Financial well-being is a choice, not luck or circumstance. Section 2. Taking control of your financial future. Practical steps to enhance your cash flow. The good news is that achieving financial security and building wealth is within everyone's reach. It starts with taking control of your financial future, one step at a time. Begin by evaluating your current financial situation. How much are you earning? Where is your money going? Are you living within your means or consistently spending more than you earn? Once you have a clear understanding of your cash flow, you can start making informed decisions to improve it. Explore areas where you can reduce your expenses without drastically altering your lifestyle. Look for opportunities to increase your income, even if it's through a side hustle or freelance work. Remember, every dollar you save or earn is a dollar that can be directed towards building wealth. Consider automating your savings and investments, making it a seamless part of your financial routine. Even small, consistent contributions can add up over time thanks to the power of compounding. Embrace the journey, cultivating financial literacy and building a legacy of abundance. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Make conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Cultivate financial literacy, budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Seek out resources and support. Books, podcasts, and websites can help you achieve financial freedom. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Building wealth is about creating a legacy for future generations. Teach your children financial responsibility, empower them to make smart financial decisions, break the cycle of debt, embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and watch your financial well-being flourish. The power to create a life of abundance lies within your hands. Start today and watch your financial dreams turn into reality. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. You need to hear this if you're an aspiring entrepreneur. Ready to build wealth on a low income? Meet James. He saved just $5 a day and invested it wisely. Now, he's a millionaire. Start small, dream big. You got this. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.